Good morning, CNG 132 online. Real quick, want to address some things. I got a few emails this weekend. Well, I've been getting a few emails. I keep saying I'll show you. So got a question to ask about CompTIA book. Got a question to ask about getting certified. In this course, part of the required materials is having transcender Kaplan access for rehearsal software. Basically, I use the rehearsal software for bringing your test scores up. At least going through it at least 5 times, you should get a score above 70, and then that'll bring your test scores to 100. Also, you get the access for 180 days, so probably either within the break, between some semesters, or even during winter break. I do hope you go get certified in Security Plus. So let's take a look at how to do that. If you're at the campus store, let me start over. If you're at the campus store and move my face, go for bookstore, and then we want to see campus stores, go to campus stores, we want to do textbooks. Larimer, make sure you select this Larimer campus bookstore, the most important piece here. And then move my face again. We want to search for 180-day search. Oh, why did it add my 180-day? Okay, there we go. So make sure all those fields are blank. Then you search 180-day, you should get this result. This is a huge discount compared to what you'll find online, so make sure you buy this at the Larimer campus bookstore. Once you have this in your cart, there's a section in the comments. Let's go to add to cart. And when you purchase this, shopping cart, there's going to be a comment section. So when you buy this, oops, I'll remove that. Ooh, maybe I pushed the wrong button. Add to cart. Oh, this is for Mr. Route. Okay. They have it listed underneath a general class, but it's used on a lot of our classes here on campus, at the Larimer campus. So once you have that in the cart, it's going to say Summer 2018 CNG 120 Instructor Route, but it's just a universal code that gives you access to all of their code bank. They have thousands of tests to learn. I probably will have to post additional information in the news, so make sure you keep an eye on that. I think one of the most basic things is it might be still under Transcender. Transcender has transitioned to Kaplan. Taylor Rowley from Kaplan is helping students make accounts and get that transition successfully over. I'll put her phone number in there and her email, but I would highly recommend calling her first. Students that call her get it done in about 10 minutes, where students that email her usually take about 3 days. So make sure you are calling her, giving her your information, and make sure you have that code on hand, and then she'll go ahead and set up your account. Once you have your account set up, it'll look something like this: www.kaplanlearn.com/login. My account was made for me. I simply log in now. And what test was this? This is the Security Plus one. I don't think. Home. So then you should look like this at your home button. You have your Network Plus, your Security Plus. I'm sorry, you should have just your Security Plus. I have Net Plus, A Plus, Security Plus. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will post her information below this video. Start working on getting your Kaplan. Part of the grade is also submitting to me that you have Kaplan access, and that goes in the assignments. Down here at the bottom, the Kaplan quiz, so you do get a grade. You just show me you have access, and then you get the quiz grade 10 over 10. The Kaplan test, that's when you're going to submit to me a photo, a screen capture, a selfie, any way you can picture something that you got a 70 or better on this, and then I go ahead and give you the score of 100, and then change your test scores to 100 also. So make sure you're doing that as part of the assignment for this class, and I will post that information shortly.